device incoming is an iPhone 6, gold in color. Rear camera does not appear to be cracked. It is taking an incoming charge current of 1.24 amperes. Rear camera does appear to be functional. Front camera does appear to be functional. A little bit of haziness right around where the lights are at, and that's likely caused because there's a small fracture forming across the front of the camera. The virtual button over here is activated. Sometimes it's a customer that's activated, and sometimes it's an indicator that the home button has failed. In this case, the home button is functioning and the touch ID is functioning, so it's just a customer wanting a virtual button on his screen. Battery level is about 78% right now. It is not showing in service, so it probably doesn't have a SIM card, or the service cannot be tested at the moment. Home power button is functioning. Volume down button's a little bit spongy. Volume up button is also a little bit spongy. The volume rocker is also a little bit spongy. There might be a little bit of moisture that's penetrated in the volume area over there. There looks to be like a little bit of a glue separation in the upper left-hand quadrant, and in the lower right-hand quadrant there's a lot of fractures that's forming from the lower right-hand quadrant all the way through the upper left-hand quadrant. Headset jack itself does appear to be round. There is some debris that's blocking the lower the lower speakerphone assembly, but both screws are intact. There doesn't appear to be any excessive frame damage, just light discoloration over here in the lower right-hand quadrant. So the phone could have done better with the inside of a case to avoid these sort of scratches. At this moment, we're going to ask for the customer's permission to take a look at the inside of the phone as well. We'll remove the bottom two screws, flip open the top panel, and we'll take a look at the inside, so that way the customer can see what's inside of this phone as well.